What's up, how you doing, everybody? My name is Ian. Thank you for joining me on this Facebook Live. So I wanted to get right to the point and talk about real quickly what happens if somebody or only one person shows up to your Facebook Live. And that's a fear of a lot of people. So think about it. You're planning this Facebook Live, you've prepared all of this information, and when you go live, there's like crickets, or there's only one person or two people. How do you overcome that, and why should you keep on going? Well, I want to explain to you a couple of different ways: A, to avoid complete crickets, and B, how awesome it is if you have just one person there. So number one, you have three different ways that you can ensure that you'll have people on your Facebook Lives. Number one, invite your friends. Just be like, hey, I need a little bit of support. Please show up to this Facebook Live. I'd really appreciate it. I'm going to be talking about this. I think you'll love it anyways. Just show up. It's at this time. Great. So, if you invite 10 people, let's say two or three people show up, instantaneously you have two or three extra people there. The second way is you can actually do specific marketing where you lead it up 3 days, 2 days, day of, and 30 minutes before, so that you have ways that people know that you're about to go Facebook Living and what you're going to be talking about. And then third, let's talk about if only one person shows up. Here's the thing. If only one person shows up, you're making an instant connection. Like, that is absolutely amazing. So think about why you got into network marketing. You got in there to create the relationships. You didn't think you were really going to be going live on Facebook and being able to do all this internet marketing. You really did think that you were going to just go one by one, tell your friends and family how amazing this opportunity was, and you'll probably be rich. It probably didn't work out that way. And now you're discovering that there are new ways that you can actually promote yourself and your personal brand. That's why I'm here helping. But as far as if only one person shows up, you should be excited, because that gives you an instant opportunity to make a connection, to create that relationship. You're having essentially a FaceTime with somebody at that point, right? It's pretty neat. It takes a lot of stress off of you. And the other thing that's amazing is if they actually show up, they'll show up again. They'll become raving fans. And the people that you actually have raving fans with are the people that are perfect to build your downline. I mean, think about that. So if you have an instant connection and you've established this relationship, and this person has come to three or four of your different lives, and they just love what you have to say, and they purchase your products and everything. What a great opportunity to pitch them the business opportunity. Those are the people that becomes your warm market, and that warms everything up. So you just remember that, Facebook Lives are great to establish the one-on-one relationships. You have the ability to comment. You have the ability to actually see real time what people are asking you, so you can address them immediately. It helps people feel part of something and engaged with you. So it's a great way to establish that one-on-one connection. And then the last thing to remember is, no matter what, you're doing Facebook Lives not necessarily to be live at that specific moment, but rather each of your Facebook Lives accumulatively become your sales force. Each one is your salesperson. So as soon as somebody comes to your Facebook profile and they see your Facebook Live, what's amazing is they actually can see all of the different Facebook Lives. So for example, this Facebook Live is, what happens if you have a small audience, right? Well, if somebody comes to my profile and they see this Facebook Live and I address their concerns, guess what? That is absolutely amazing for that person. But they weren't on my Facebook Live. They saw it after the fact. So just remember, you're creating content with Facebook Lives, you're establishing relationships, you're solving people's problems, you're being able to create a connection that 10 years ago did not exist. So stay the course. If you have just one person that attends your Facebook Lives, celebrate. Because when it's all said and done, you have an opportunity to create a relationship and a connection with that person that you may never have had before. So that's all I want to talk about on this quick Facebook Live, just to address those concerns. If you have any questions or comments, please go ahead and put them in the comment box, and I will definitely get to them as soon as I can. And again, I'll get to them even if you've never seen this Facebook Live. The beauty of Facebook Lives. Thank you guys for joining. I appreciate it.